When the weather rolls in or the truck in front of you starts picking up water, visibility is essential. In these moments, Goodyear Ascent hybrid wiper blades deliver what every driver wants: a smooth, clear wipe. Goodyear Ascent is a performance hybrid wiper blade that combines the stability and affordability of a conventional blade with the sleek design and high-end performance of a beam blade. And we didn't stop there. Goodyear Ascent has a built-in aerodynamic protective spoiler to provide additional downforce for a cleaner wipe that also helps prevent snow and ice buildup in winter weather. Of course, if you live in a climate with 4 seasons, you need a wiper blade that will perform in all of them. The Goodyear Ascent is made from a dual natural and synthetic rubber compound that stays flexible through changing temperatures. And for a quiet wipe, we've applied an advanced graphite coating, so you don't have to worry about any unwanted squeaking. What more could you want from a wiper blade? A universal adapter system for quick, easy installation and blades available in lengths of 16 to 28 inches? Done. Goodyear Ascent wiper blades. Performance you can trust.